We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, this is a word of French origin which explains its correct spelling for English. For reference, in French it is said as fissure, fissure. In British English, this is normally said as fissure, fissure. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, it is usually said as fissure, fissure in American English versus fissure in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.